Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna bake an orange carrot cake. Let's get started. Flour, baking soda, baking powder, put the eggs in another bowl, brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon. Stir for 5 minutes. Orange peel, vegetable oil, add the dry ingredients in several steps. Grated carrot, walnut. Mix thoroughly. Pour into an 18 cm mold. Bake for about 45 minutes. Put sugar in a frying pan and turn on the burner. Warm water. Glaucus. Heat until slightly brown. Add the butter. Melted cream. Warm orange juice. Orange peel. Keep the burner for a while until the caramel thickens completely. Mascarpone. Powdered sugar. Whipped cream. Mix thoroughly, then pour into the piping bags. Divide the cake and cut it into 3 flat layers. Moisten each layer of the cake with milk. Place the layers one by one and repeat these steps for each layer. Add the caramel. Start covering and icing the cake. Leave it in fridge for at least 3 hours. Decorate with cream as you wish. Okay, I'm done for today. Enjoy your fresh cake. Thank you for watching and happy baking.